In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT in different regional languages. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. LangGPT is a free online front end for ChatGPT that you can use with your own key and extra features. It lets you use ChatGPT in 10 different languages for now. Based on the language that is set in your browser, it sets the response language of ChatGPT accordingly. If you want to try ChatGPT in a different language, then just open the browser and open Settings. From the languages, simply set the target language as default that you want to use for the ChatGPT responses. Now, access LangGPT from the link in the description. The first thing you have to do is select the language you want to use. I will use Hindi. Next, you need to make sure that you have set your API key in it. Start chatting now. Ask questions and it will return the answer in the language that you have specified already. Keep using it in this way and then it will keep answering you in your preferred language. Sometimes, it can take a long time to show the long responses because it does translations on the spot, so you just need to be a little patient. This is all it takes to easily get ChatGPT responses in different languages. Feel free to explore other tech videos on our channel and don't forget to leave your comments and questions on them.